Hello, this is Elaine, and I'm here to show you the Sweet Soiree Suite. It's very sweet. There's beautiful cards, many samples. So the stamp set is the Cake Soiree stamp set, 18 stamps. You can get a wood mount or clear mount, and then you can bundle it with the Sweet Cake framelits. And those cut out a variety of things. So they cut out the different little leaves and then an outline flower, a little tag with pretty embellishments on the bottom, the cake stand, a bow, the cake, and then this is really cool. There's 2 leaves and these 2 leaves, so you can cut them out at the same time. And then there's 2 flowers as well that are the same. And there's also these 2 flowers, these 2 small flowers. So I really like that they're including doubles. So you have 2 tulips, 2 of these petals, 2 of these petals, and 2 of these flowers. And that coordinates with these tulips, this leaf, this petal, and these flowers, so that you can cut out more in one pass at a time. And the stamp set is just gorgeous. And we also have the decorative masks where you can do the rose, you can do cake decorations, candles, and sprinkles. We have the beautiful berry burst metallic edge ribbon, the silver baker's twine, the beautiful designer series paper that has silver foil on it, the scattered sequins dynamic textured embossing folder, so it makes that really deep impression on the paper. It's 6 by 6. I know you can't really tell from the picture. The silver mini gable boxes are super cute, and the embellishment kit is really fun as well. There's also a cardstock pack that coordinates with the designer series paper, some ready shreddy, and some silver and shimmery embossing paste that go together and that you can use with the masks. So I'll show you some of the cards I've been making. So we made this card in my Sweet Soiree class, which is basically a copy of this card, except I enlarged the card to be 4 1/4 by 4 1/4, and I added the cake stand in silver foil. And this card used the embellishment from the embellishment kit, but we just made our own by embossing silver embossing powder on So Saffron. Really pretty. And then to get these 2 vellum pieces, we colored the back with Marina Mist and Berry Burst. And then we just added Best Wishes with a dimensional and a little ribbon. And then the embellishment kit comes with numbers. So somebody's celebrating their 18th birthday or 82nd birthday, you can put whatever number you want on there. So this is the first card we made. The next card we made is right here, and it uses a lot from the embellishment kit. These pieces, this little cute paper tassel, and this velvet scalloped ribbon. And then we just stamped some of the leaves around and stamped the happy birthday. So this card is really easy with the embellishment kit. And then the other card we made uses some of that gorgeous paper. And can you see the silver foil? And here's the beautiful ribbon with the metallic edge. And then we did 3 flowers and 3 types of leaves. We also used the coordinating, where are they? There's also these embossing folders. I guess they're on another page, but they go beautifully with this suite. And we stamped the happy birthday. And then this last card I did 2 different versions of it. I did Celebrate and Happy Birthday. So again, we used the beautiful paper, and then we attached a little bit of ribbon. And then I used the other embossing folder that's paired with that flower one. And then we have some flowers and tulips, and then the leaves. So we did those 2 cards, and I arranged the flowers a little bit differently on each one. But this stamp set and coordinating products are just so pretty that you're gonna want to get them all so you can coordinate and make these beautiful cards and projects. So those are the 4 cards we made in my class. I also wanted to make this card for fun, which is this card right here, and use the shimmery white embossing paste and the template, and my goodness, it just turns out beautifully. I just love it. And then I cut all those out in silver foil, and it kind of goes with the silver foil, and added a little piece of vellum. It's just so gorgeous. Whoops, I gotta keep that straight. So we did this card. So a couple other things that coordinate with this suite that are really cool is the Sweet Soiree Memories and More card pack. That's a celebration item that you can get for free. So if you purchase the bundle clear amount, which is $61, you can pick a free item. So you can pick this Memories and More card pack, and you can use it for memory keeping, or you can make cards with it. So I just used the stamp set and stamped happy birthday on this one. And these are the little note cards that are in the annual catalog, the note cards and envelopes. And then this one just tied some twine around, the silver twine that's right here, the silver baker's twine, and then stamped birthday. And then similar on this card, stamped for you, and then put the silver twine around. So these are really cute little cards that you could use for birthdays or other occasions, or you could package them up and make a little gift out of them. And you get quite a large pack of cards. So you get all sizes, and I like to keep all my scraps. So I keep my scraps too, because they're so pretty. But you have this 4x6 size, and you have this smaller size, and you can make all kinds of cards with these. You could do a card like that, card like that. So those are all the cards I've got lined up so far that I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna use all of this to make cards, and you'll be set for a long time. This will make a lot of cards, and they're just really simple to make. And then the last thing I wanted to show you is just the DSP. It's just gorgeous. So I hope that you enjoyed seeing all the beautiful products from the Sweet Soiree set, and that you will go to my website and purchase it and get your free items as well. Thanks.